Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Technique Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a simple column on your Canva docs on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to insert a basic column in the Canva docs on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to click on the elements on the side. You can see elements. Then here you have to find option called columns, and here you just need to click on the see all option, and here you just need to click on the basic columns. Click on it and see all option. So here you can find different type of column states, like 3 columns or one bigger column and a smaller column and 4 equal columns, like that. So you can just easily insert the columns. For an example, I just insert a column here. I just going to insert a column here. So you can just add border if you just need it. So you can see how it's look like. So if you just need to increase the border color, just click on this or just increase the border width so it will be so visible. And this is how you just insert this type of columns on your Canva docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Technique Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.